We're here in Carlsbad, just off the 5, about a mile from the beach in the Seacliff community. This community has become a big deal to me lately as a realtor, and I want to show you why. Let's check out some of the beautiful scenery. One of the reasons I call this a hidden gem is because it's surrounded by a lagoon that features a lot of wildlife such as frogs, turtles, fish, ducks. It also features 2 pools, 2 clubhouses, tennis courts, and the location is amazing. It's 1 mile from the ocean, close to restaurants, close to outlets, Legoland, and some of the best schools in all of San Diego. Something really cool about this community is that a lot of the owners are the original owners from the 80s, but we are seeing a lot of turnover with young families. I'd like to show you 2 of those properties today. So here's the first place I wanted to show you. I helped some buyers and sellers on this property back in December. We're now in April. This home was very original. It looked like it was from the 80s. These buyers did an incredible job, and I want to show you the potential of what a before and after looks like. Since most of the owners within this community are the original owners, most of the properties haven't been touched, and they're begging to be renovated. These buyers came in, put roughly $50,000 into the renovation, and now they're sitting on well over $100,000 in equity. It's just a great example of the opportunities you can find within this community. Welcome to 7111 Linden Terrace. Here we are at this detached single-family home. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, features an optional 3rd bedroom, or it can be used as a den or an office. It's located in a premium location with premium schools, and as you step outside, you have 180-degree ocean views. Whoever buys this home is likely to renovate it because it's an opportunity to see instant equity.